Super Easy Drawings! Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color fruits. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I'll divide it into 6 small squares. I draw a banana, then I draw a cute face like this. Let's draw an apple. I draw 2 cute eyes and a smiling mouth with the tongue sticking out. I draw an orange, and I draw 2 cute eyes and a smiling mouth wide open. Let's draw grapes. Then I draw a cute face like this. I draw a pear with 2 eyes and a smiling mouth. A slice of watermelon. I draw 2 cute eyes again and a smiling mouth with the tongue out. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I use yellow for the banana. I use red for the apple. Brown for its stem and green for its leaf. Pink. I color the orange with this orange marker. Brown for its stem and green for its leaf. I use 2 different red markers for its mouth. For the grapes, I use purple. I continue with the fuchsia. Brown for its stem and green for its leaf. Green for the pear. Brown for its stem and green for its leaf. I use 2 different red markers for its mouth. Then I color the watermelon with this red. The seeds are black, and for the skin of the melon, I use some green tones. Excellent! Pink. Now let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Light red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, purple, good job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.